Welcome to IMG Helping Hands. Today we're talking about why many IMGs didn't match in 2025 and how you can avoid those mistakes to do better in the 2026 match. The 2025 match is in, and for thousands of international medical graduates, it was a harsh reality check. You've spent years studying, sacrificing, and dreaming of practicing medicine in the U.S. And yet, for so many, that dream came crashing down this year. But here's the truth. Most IMGs who didn't match didn't fail because they were bad candidates. They failed because they make avoidable mistakes that the data clearly shows, and that we're going to unpack today. So whether you're still in med school, already a graduate, or planning to reapply, grab a pen, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to sidestep the exact traps that crushed thousands of dreams in 2025. Let's start with the raw numbers. In the 2025 main residency match, a total of 52,884 registered applicants competed. Of these, 47,208 were active applicants. Out of that, 20,030 were IMGs, international medical graduates. 4,587 were U.S. citizen IMGs. 11,465 were non-U.S. citizen IMGs. Now the outcome. 67.8% of U.S. citizen IMG is matched. Only 58% of non-U.S. citizen IMG is matched. That means over 4 out of every 10 non-U.S. IMGs did not match. Let that sink in. Thousands of highly motivated, medically trained individuals were left without a residency seat. But numbers alone don't tell the full story. Let's dig into the real reasons so many didn't make it. Top mistakes that caused IMGs to fail in 2025. 1. No rank order list submitted. Yes, this still happens, and often. Thousands of applicants register with NRMP but never submit or certify their rank order list. Without that, you're automatically disqualified from being matched, even if you got interviews. Solution: set a reminder 2 weeks before the NRMP ROL deadline. Certify early. Double-check it. 2. Weak or no U.S. clinical experience. USCE. One of the biggest red flags for programs is the absence of hands-on U.S. experience. Many IMGs rely only on observerships. Use non-recent rotations, older than 2 years. Skip core rotations like M, FM, or pediatrics. Programs want candidates who understand U.S. healthcare systems, documentation, and culture, not just theory. What helps? U.S. hospital-based externships, sub-internships, or hands-on electives. Strong LORs from U.S. physicians. 3. Applying blindly to the wrong programs. It's not about applying to more. It's about applying smart. Common IMG mistakes. Applying to top-tier academic centers only. Skipping community-based programs. Applying to low IMG specialties like dermatology, ENT, neurosurgery. Use FREIDA NRMP reports to find programs with greater than equals 10% historical IMG intake. Visa sponsorship options. IMG-friendly specialties like M, FM, Psych, PEDS. Don't just follow trends. Follow data. 4. Skipping SOAP completely. This is huge. In 2025, 2,521 positions went unfilled after the main match. By the end of SOAP week, only 203 were left unfilled. That means over 2,300 chances were taken, and many by IMGs who were prepared. But if you ignored SOAP, didn't prep your documents, didn't monitor timelines, didn't reach out during SOAP rounds, you missed a whole second chance to match. Be ready to pivot, have your documents uploaded, and be responsive during SOAP week. 5. Lack of research, teaching, or leadership work. In 2025, more programs gave weight to research experience, abstracts, posters, publications, teaching assistantships, or tutoring roles. leadership in med school, or public health projects. And no, it's not about Ivy League-level research. Even 1 to 2 quality research projects, a publication, or leadership in a free clinic shows initiative, critical thinking, and collaboration. Bottom line, if your CV looks empty outside of classes and STEP scores, you're losing ground. What to do differently for 2026 match, especially for IMGs. Start early. Think April to June, not August to September. Choose your ECFMG pathway, OET, license, faculty eval, etc. Gather and notarize key documents. Finalize school transcript and diploma upload. Schedule the OET medicine test if needed. Seats fill fast. Craft a strong, clean ERAS application. Update every section. Work, volunteer, publications. Add meaningful U.S. clinical experience. Keep formatting neat. Use bullet points. No typos. Include keywords programs. Search for egg, hospitalist, bedside rounds, SOAP note. Secure 3 to 4 strong U.S. LORs. Must be from physicians in the U.S. At least 1 to 2 from the specialty you're applying for. Ask for early in the rotation so faculty has time. Write and refine your personal statement early. Make it specialty specific. Share a story that connects emotionally. Avoid cliches like, "I've always wanted to help people." Get it proofread by mentors or professionals. Plan for SOAP in advance. Save 1 LOR and a backup PS in ERAs for SOAP. Know which programs typically go unfilled. Have a rapid response email and phone number. Follow NRMP SOAP updates and guidelines. References: NRMP 2025 Match Report. Introduction. NRMP Match Tables 1E/1F. IMG Match Stats. NRMP SOAP Summary. Unfilled and filled positions data. The match is not just an application process, it's a strategy game. You don't win with luck, you win with planning, timing, and self-awareness. And IMGs who succeed, they're not necessarily the smartest, but they're almost always the most prepared. Your 2026 match starts today. Make your timeline your best friend, not your enemy.